राजी बंदा नमाजी
Edged and gone. He comes in and strikes oh so beautifully.
अब ठहराना किसी क्या हो क्या वीर का कोई
Oh well, there's a little bit of helicopter to it, but no distance. That's excellently taken. Was a balancing act for a moment. The flamboyance of should be taken, and it's Tayyab again. Miscuing the full toss, Raj. The full toss again. Height, but fielder underneath. This time he's in and out. Sachin Das have to go for it. Arafat Binaz makes no mistake. Nishant wins the battle. Wonderful.